Everyone, good morning. So, time check is 6:38 in the morning and today it's Wednesday. So, kahapon pala is Tuesday. Meron kami klase pero hindi ako nakapag-video. I feel so exhausted. Alam niyo bang you're completely empty, like you don't know. Sakto ka naman sa tulog. Natulog ako ng maaga tapos nagising ako 4:30. Nagtulog ako na kahapon ng 10. Tapos nagising ko ng 4:30. Tapos alam niyo ba yun? I am completely empty. Alam niyo ba yun? Yung isang araw hindi mo alam kung bakit ganon. Kaya ayun. And ngayon I am trying to motivate myself. Wait. Yes, today it's Wednesday and trying to heal my own self. Hindi kong alam kung ako walang energy. So last week pa, last Saturday hanggang kahapon, I am not in the mood talaga na sakit ang ulo ko. Every time na magsasalita ako is ano siya, it costs a lot. Alam yung hangak na hanga ka para kang yung papunta ka sa Mount Everest. Alam niyo ba yun? So yeah, and the weather for today is hoping it's gonna be a good day kasi hindi pa lumabas si haring araw. So yeah, see you later, buddy.